We back. We back in this bed, bro. We back in this bed, bro. I've been off like for a minute now because my headphone died. Like one of them stopped working, bro. On some bull. I think I've lost 6 headphones in like 1 year. It's tough, but yeah, I'm just gonna shout it one mode. It's fine. But excuse the mix. You know the principle is still there. You can still go in there and freshen it up. Of course, we're doing the a-reece mixtape type vibes. We're going mixtape type vibes. I miss y'all niggas, bro. I miss making videos, bro. This shit tough. This shit fun. I appreciate the love and support from the community. We're almost at 60. Last video I made, we was at 50. Now almost at 60. Appreciate the support. Like one of my bros said it, Triz. He said we already made it. The world just needs to catch up. And that was like some powerful shit, man. Shout out Triz. I wanted to make like different parts of this because like there's different parts of a-reece. There's scratch, from scratch a-reece, and then there's sample a-reece. So in this vid, we're gonna make sample reece. But like next video, if y'all want it, just let me know in the comments if you want to scratch reece with no more stock. Cause like a lot of people been telling me that, okay, even though I'm teaching niggas how to do shit from stock, in the industry, you don't do stuff from stock, bro. You need to go paid. Of course, there's ways. First things first, I got this sample from, it's pretty clean, bro. I just found the sample. Oof. Oof. Yo. But yeah, you get the idea. Tune back. Dope site for like BPMs and keys and stuff. Just, like it crashed and shit. I was just trying to get 3 sections from this. An intro, hook, a verse. I was just trying to get that, and I'm just trying to time it now. Every single moment has to be purposeful. So the hook has to be the energetic part, you know, the one with like a lot of elements going in, you know. And the verse, this is where the rapper really gets down to it, you know what I mean? That's where they're rapping, that's where they're talking their shit. So you gotta be smooth with it. You gotta do less, you know what I mean? You gotta do less with it. Yeah, bro, we're done. Yo, that took a minute. I can already hear Reece. I can hear another verse though. Okay, I must have missed time. It's going crazy. Thing is, you want to end it at like a uncomfortable tone so that people will listen to it again. Cause now it's like, damn, we really ended it like that. Let's run it back. You know what I mean? Now we getting the drums in, bro. You do this. So that's from what's it called? Monty. This is what I always do, even with the hats, honestly. I do it mostly with the hats. But I just do this. It's like a weird effect, bro. It's like a, I don't know what it's called, bro. I should call it something. But it's like a. It's something vibey. That's when you know it sounds good. When randomly freestyling on it, a beat is good. Like beats are meant to inspire artists, bro. That's why people don't understand. As an artist, bro, imagine just waiting. Like you have an idea in your head, but you don't know like what to make. You don't know how to make beats. So that's like generally scary, bro. Because like you could have an idea, but you're not gonna write a full song without a beat. That just makes no sense. So you need a beat to like inspire you, in a sense. That's why your beats gotta inspire artists, bro. Generally, I feel like once you crack that, you're up as a prod, even as an artist in general. I didn't stretch it. Alright, bet. I just finished the 808s because they were taking a minute. My fault. Okay. A bit too low. Headphones are doing this weird thing, bro. I don't know if I can hear it. It's annoying shit. Like it makes me I'll keep going. Okay. It's like, yo, I don't know if you can hear it, bro. It's an accelerator, bro. It's like a car accelerating, but like a super small one, so it's like really high pitched. And like I can't really hear the beat properly because it overpowers it as it goes. Kind of hurts. I need to get new headphones, but I'm just gonna still cook, bro. The second, that's essentially it, bro. Generally, sample selection is really important as a producer, but also keep it simple. Don't do too much. Make the most with whatever you have, bro. Like personally, bro, I want my 808s to exist in like this space, not in this space, bro. So let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, -6. So I'll call -6. You know what I mean? Let's test it out with this one. 6. Okay, now I like this one. This one's like more precise. I don't know. It's the same thing, but yeah, bro. That's about it, bro. Genuine chat. Just keep it simple. Take it easy on yourself. Don't do too much. You know what I mean? And just make sure that whatever it is that you're making, one, it's good. It sounds good. There's rhythm, and it's easy for the artist to feel inspired and see where they can take it with the idea that they have. Or even if they don't have an idea, they just go through, record, and just slide through it, bro. That's really important, bro. And that's about it, bro. I'm gonna arrange it. I'm gonna finish the second 808s. I'm gonna finish the hats. I'm gonna change the hats a bit just to add more rhythm on it. And yeah, that's about it, bro. Stay easy. Keep it wheezy. Slime slap. You know what it is, bro. You know what it is. Bro, why do niggas talk like that, though? Hey, shout out.